Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I welcome you again to an interesting video where you are going to learn something unique and interesting. Let's see what are we gonna do. Just make your paper with the help of oil pastel colors. You have to make this drawing on a circular sheet of paper and you are going to enjoy this. Keep on making these patterns and these flowers, and you can make the honeybees as well to decorate the scenery of a garden. Again, on a circular sheet of paper, you have to make with the help of black marker. You have to make the patterns in this and then give it a final look in this way. Now let's see what make the spikes look like this and then the leaves all around, and your corn garden is definitely ready. Now you can make the beetles as well. You have to now take your imprints of your hand and then draw curvy lines in this manner. On the top of your hand you have to draw the circles and then a smiley face in the middle. Let's see what are we gonna do. Just decorate it further and make it look like this. Your colorful lovely drawings and your art and craft is ready. Isn't it looking amazing? Yes, damn it is. Proceeding in this way, let's see what are we going to do now. You just have to take the pieces like this and then with the help of watercolor you have to paste it in this manner. Now what you have to do, you have to give the imprints like this using the paper, and then you will get an amazing beautiful picture. And again, with the help of earbuds you can put the yellow dots in the middle. Proceeding in this way, you have to give the impressions with the help of watercolor like this with the help of earbuds, group of earbuds, and then you will get a beautiful result. Keep on making this, and then the branches of the tree hanging from the top, you just have to make it like this. Again, you can give it a final touch. Keep on proceeding in this way and let's see what are we gonna make. Just make the imprint circular spiral imprints like this and join it like this with the help of oil pastel colors. Make the leaves around in this manner and make a basket and paste love on it. Proceeding in this way, you have to make the curvy lines like this, and again you have to make the petals of flowers in this manner. Join it further and you will get coconut trees like this. You have to make the view of a beach. You can decorate it further by coloring it and proceeding further in this manner. Keep on making the patterns and your drawing is absolutely ready. Now with the help of clay, press the clays like this all over the body, and let's see what are we going to do. With the help of black marker you can make imprints like this and your watermelons are ready. You can give it final touch. Proceeding in this way, you have to make the cartoon character in this manner. Make it look like this, and again you have to make this doll, dancing doll in this manner, and then decorate further by making it look colorful and interesting. You can just give it a beautiful look like this and your scenery is damn ready to go. You can just make it look further amazing. Proceeding in this manner, make a pot-like structure and then paste the leaves inside it, and then with the help of clay you have to give the imprints in this manner and you will get a beautiful amazing result. With the help of you can give it a final touch and your scenery is ready to go. Proceeding again, you have to take the imprints of hand in this way. Now what we have to do, you have to make the lines like this from one end to another end, from top to bottom, and then make the spiral lines like this, making curvy lines look like this. And again you have to make it look, you can damn imagine what are we gonna make, a corn, right? You just have to decorate it further and your drawing is ready. Keep on proceeding in this way and let's see what in the end are we going to get. You have to make the droplets like this and different structure in this manner, and you have to make people like this holding each other's hands, and you will get a beautiful amazing result. And with the help of you can just give it shadow and you will get beautiful amazing scenery. Now let's see what are we gonna make now. Make with the help of the cutout, you have to make the lines like this, and again what are we gonna do, let's see. Make it look like this, a thick colorful lines, and then what you have to do, you have to make patterns like this. Now paste the leaves in this manner and paste it all over the other and it is ready. Proceeding in this way, make the lines, zigzag lines one over the other, and then you have to color it further using the leaves and all. Just paste it and then you have to, with the help of oil pastel colors, you have to color it further so as to get a beautiful result in this manner. And with the help of earbuds, you have to just give it a final touch. Let's see what in the end are we going to do. Just make it look like this and your drawing is ready. Thank you.